Vamos a la playa, vamos.
Vamos a la
Okay.
playa. Okay.
Yeah.
So, just to explain.
Yeah.
Let's go from here. To start, safety lanyard in place.
Yes.
Okay. Tie this around the leg because it's for safety.
I see.
Okay. And to start under here
Yeah.
is battery key.
I see.
Vertical is off.
I see.
Horizontal is on.
Cool.
Okay. Then we turn the key. You make sure that the lever is in neutral
I see.
because the engine won't start if it's in this position. The engine won't start.
I see.
Okay. So there is a position there. Okay, and then you just turn the key like a car.
Okay.
Okay. Now instantly, the Williams will want to go forward.
I see.
Okay, it always wants to go forward because it's direct drive.
I see.
It doesn't have a clutch.
I see.
So even in neutral, it will want to go forward. So
I
if you
see.
just hold it slightly off neutral.
To try to find an equilibrium position, right?
Yeah. Yeah, that's it. So that's good. And that's all there is basically. Forward is forward on the lever.
Yeah.
Forward you go forward. Reverse you go first.
I see.
Reverse. Okay.
Cool. And now, if you are so kind to tell me about the chip, about the bulb, please.
Yeah. Okay. Every time when you finish using the Williams,
Yep.
and you come back to the boat.
Yeah.
Okay. You should always flush the engine. Okay.
I see.
So just turn it off.
Yes.
Back into neutral. Turn it off.
I see.
Okay, that's it.
Cool.
Now here you have the
Yes.
here you have the flushing point.
Yes.
You open this up,
Yes.
and you have it's almost like a garden connector, you know, for a hose pipe.
Yes.
You push the grey in,
Yes.
you push the connector in,
Yes.
and you let that off, and that locks the connector in position.
I see.
Okay. You connect your hose pipe
I see.
to a freshwater feed.
Yes.
Okay, so either on the pontoon or on the boat,
Just
whichever.
to get in fresh water to get the salty water
To
out.
Flush the salt out of the exhaust system.
I see.
Okay.
Do you have this connector in the boat, or do you have to buy it?
No, it's just a garden connector.
I see,
You know,
I see.
A connector like you have on a hose pipe.
Yeah, a nipple
That's
connect.
it.
Correct.
Yeah, absolutely. Important thing is, before you start to flush the engine, you start the engine, okay?
I see.
And then you open the tap for the water.
I see.
Okay, so it's start the engine, open the tap.
Just to avoid overpressure.
Yeah, and then after a couple of minutes, or so, what you do is you turn the water off first,
And then
turn
engine
the
off.
engine off. So you don't leak, because if you turn the engine off and you keep the water running, it fills up the engine.
I see.
And that's not very good.
Yeah. Okay.
All
Okay.
right.
Also, always engine on before getting water in, and then water off, and then engine off.
That's it. Perfect.
Cool.
Absolutely correct. Yeah. And then you just to disconnect the connector, you just push the grey ring in,
I see.
and then the hose pipe will come out.
I see.
Okay.
I see.
Okay. I'll just take this off my leg.
What kind of gas do we fill in?
Normal unleaded, 95.
No, I see.
Okay. Now, in here, battery there. Okay.
Yeah.
Navigation lights are here. So these fit into the sockets at the back and the front.
I
You'll
see.
find this very simple, straightforward.
Yeah.
Fuel filter, new fuel filter. Now we have a towing valve here. I don't
Yeah.
know if you can see it.
Yes, we can see it.
You see the red handle?
Yeah.
That is in normal running mode. It's always in line with the tender. Okay.
I see.
The only reason you turn it off across like that is if the owner or decides he wants to tow this behind the
I
main
see.
boat.
I
Okay.
see.
So if he wants to move from a bay to another bay, doesn't want to put the
Up.
doesn't want to pick the tender up,
Yeah.
he can tow it, but that valve must be turned off.
And that is to avoid overflooding the engine.
That is to avoid the pump, the water not back feeding through into the system, into the
I see.
engine.
Correct.
Because if you do that, you'll flood the engine.
Correct.
And then you have problems.
Could be the same thing that if we put the fresh water without the engine running, we could overflood the engine. It's kind of the same principle of the same problem, right?
Yeah.
But
What I normally do is, should the owner or you decide to have it like this, if you're towing the boat, what I normally do, I advise people, it's a trick. It's a good idea. You take the ignition key and you put it here.
And then you remember that is
You just tie it, because 9 times out of 10, after somebody's moved the boat, your main boat, and they want to use the Williams again,
they forget about
they
that.
forget to open the valve, and then you've got another problem.
Yeah.
No water going to the engine.
Yeah, you overheat the engine.
So if you just hook the ignition key around the valve, and you think, oh, with all the chaos and everybody on the boat and everybody running around, what did I do with the keys to the Williams? Then you say, I remember. So you lift up the hood and the key is there. It also reminds you to open the valve.
Cool.
It's just a good.
It's a
good
clever
idea.
It's a clever idea.
It's a good idea.
Cool. Do we have enough gas to go to our Blue Lagoon docking? It's like about 1 mile.
Let's have a look.
Okay.
Haven't got much. No, it's showing virtually empty on there. You've got a little bit.
It's almost nothing, right?
Yeah.
So I should stop maybe in the gas station.
Yeah, and fill it up.
We don't want to in the first trip to be out of gas.
No, I mean, I don't know. Some people use Williams a lot. Some people use them just to go to and fro from a bay.
Yeah.
To take the family and things like this. So they use it as a taxi, if you like.
Yeah.
So you don't necessarily have to fill the tank right up.
Yeah.
You can fill it to half.
I see. And then you have RPMs, and then you have a speed, right?
Miles per hour. It's in miles per hour.
Yeah.
But also kilometers per hour.
I see.
On the inside.
Yeah.
All right. And then you have the revolutions here. Okay. Bilge blower.
Which one? Sorry.
This is the bilge ventilation. The bilge blower.
I see.
Okay. So that vents the. Normally, before you start the engine, you should press the bilge blower for just a few seconds, just to clear the air.
I see.
Bilge pump.
Cool. That's on the manual, right?
That's just on the manual.
You see some water, then you push, and that's all.
Yeah. After a trip out, it's always good to lift up the hatch.
Yeah.
When the engine's cooled down, of course.
Yeah.
And if there is any residue water got in there, from either washing the boat or washing the Williams or anything like that, it's always good. Just get a sponge.
Yeah.
And dry it out. Keep it dry.
Cool.
Because it's not good to have salt water in the
bilge.
In the bilge, no. So there we are.
And the other button over the bilge pump.
This one, unfortunately, it's lost its
the icon.
little pictures, but it's navigation lights, anchor light, and navigation light. So when you put the poles in, there's a short one for the front.
Yeah.
With green and red port and starboard light on it, and there's one that goes behind the seat here.
Cool. Which will be light on through this button.
Yeah, that's it. That on this model, that's all there is.
Where do I fill the tank of gas?
Right. You fill the tank. Lift the cushion. On this one.
I will send this video to Sebastian and Paco, the owners, so that they can refresh.
So you fill it in there, okay?
Okay, yeah, understood.
So you can just lift the seat forward or move it out the way.
Yeah.
And you put in unleaded.
Cool. I will. What's the total amount?
About 45 litres.
45 liter.
Yeah, I
That's
think,
a
yeah,
lot.
this is a 325, so
Yeah.
it normally tells you on the tank, just to confirm.
Yeah. Yeah, I can see there the lid. Yeah. Anyhow, I will just add
To be exact, it's 42 litres.
42. That's right.
So
Thank
if
you.
If you put in 25,
Yeah.
25 litres, and then see how you go with that.
Yeah. And
And
then
then-
we start to learn.
And if the owner wants to fill it right up, that's up to him.
Cool.
So,
I will add 25 liter so that Sebastian can enjoy it this weekend
yeah,
and knows about the consumption.
yeah.
Okay.
All right.
That sounds great. Oh, thanks a lot. Do I have your email? Yes, I have Amanda's email because I would like to
Yeah.
send you a checklist before and after, and then you can correct me and add some remarks if you don't mind about the flushing and everything.
No problem at all.
Okay,
No problem at all.
cool.
All right.